1 minute with the One Group. Talking real estate, talking Barrie.
Hi, it's Jane with the One Group. One of the most common dilemmas owners face when it comes to home improvement projects is whether you should hire a professional or go the DIY route and potentially save some money. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer, the most important aspects to consider before you begin are things such as: do you enjoy physical work? Are you reliable and patient, meaning that once the project is started, will you finish it? Do you have all the tools, materials, and skills to safely complete the job? Do you have the time? Are you familiar with the building codes and the permits needed? If you answered no to one or more of these questions, then it might be in your best interest to explore hiring a professional. If you have a question about Barrie real estate or an idea for our next podcast, we'd love to hear from you. Reach out anytime to hello@theonegroup.ca.